So Ashley's first concussion came when she was actually assisting with another coach, helping an older child do a back walkover with cheer, and there was a miscommunication. So the child started their back walkover, and she was kicked in the jaw, ended up fracturing or chipping 2 teeth, and got a concussion as a result. She felt okay. Symptoms didn't set in quite so much, but she actually called me and said, "Mom, I think 2 of my teeth have been chipped, and I'm feeling okay, but I kind of go through moments of not feeling I feel a little weird." So, and then I thought, okay, so I monitored that day. We got her into the dentist the next day to get her teeth checked. But it was her sister who had concussions that called me and said, "You need to give her a full assessment and take her into the doctor. I think she's concussed," because she had become, within 24 hours, very emotional, which she can somewhat be an emotional child anyhow, but this was heightened. And she even couldn't figure out why she was more upset than usual, crying a little more. She's like, "This doesn't make any sense." And so we talked about it. And sure enough, she had a relatively minor concussion, but it was still there, and it still went on for about a month, where she had symptoms and challenges with school. So they can happen all sorts of different ways, as you know.